Protons from the cuttings. It looks very beautiful. I want to give it the shape of tree. I want to make it kind of bonsai. I want to give it a look of tree with the variegated leaf. Right now I've forgotten which color flower is this one. The name of this plant is Coleus. It looks very beautiful with the green edges and the dark maroon color inside. When the sunlight falls on it, the color gets darker. When sunlight is dim and the leaves appear in green color much. To propagate this plant is very easy. This survives a lot. It gets its root just within a week. So you can just take an inch of tip and you have to put it on the ground, or you just take the hard cutting, even that also can be easily grown on the ground.
नेपालको पहाडी क्षेत्रमा, तराई क्षेत्रमा, मधेसी सबै क्षेत्रमा यो फुल उपयुक्त हुन्छ। यो फुल राम्रो देखिन्छ, रातोमा हरियो कलर आउँछ, सुन्दर, राम्रो, र यो फुल छुँदा स्पर्श गर्दा नै आनन्द मनमोहक फिल हुन्छ। हेरिराख्नु भएको यही फुल हो। यो फुललाई अङ्ग्रेजीमा हामी जेलमा luk ya pun ready deh. Mas nulik mana banana yang ada ke strok siar nus luk hui mar nus semua adalah hui jak hambutar mas hidur mar luk hui mas not hui luk hui yang berkesnya basi sedang berkesnya lapin
Margno nur ilizi imne so radnavi mir rahadge sajira margno ditlu lahwina bit fashni nake sajnagvis iwa nidif saj dur sesreg shdi Alles via vasid izi irvire vzinal sidri gobor snap halat mirni aipa svil gan mirzipianas ne Har Sregnalakan Inosno Fianasan Yasni Halak Nuram Prad Ne Sejani Gidi Lufiri Absolutely Silo Sidnal Sigomin. The name of this plant is Coleus. It looks very beautiful with the green edges and the dark maroon color inside. When the sunlight falls on it, the color gets darker. When sunlight is dim and the leaves appear in green color much. To propagate this plant is very easy. This survives a lot. It gets its root just within a week. So you can just take an inch of tip and you have to put it on the ground, or you just take the hard cutting, even that also can be easily grown on the ground.
नेपालको पहाडी क्षेत्रमा, तराई क्षेत्रमा, मधेसी सबै क्षेत्रमा यो फुल उपयुक्त हुन्छ। यो फुल राम्रो देखिन्छ, रातोमा हरियो कलर आउँछ, सुन्दर, राम्रो, र यो फुल छुँदा स्पर्श गर्दा नै आनन्द मनमोहक फिल हुन्छ। हेरिराख्नु भएको यही फुल हो। यो फुललाई अङ्ग्रेजीमा
This is a curry leaf. I have planted it in lockdown. It's grown up beautifully in the plastic pots. It's very useful in the vegetables for anything you cook before. You can just have the essence of curry leaf in your vegetables or anything you give, any fry or any tarka in your dal or vegetables. But there are snake plants in a different variety. It's not a vertical shape. It looks like a kind of lotus. I don't know exactly, but these are the collection which I have made. Mother plant is kept in other side, and these are all the baby plants which I have. I have grown up the cuttings of lucky bamboo, and here small jasmine is here, and this I have forgotten the name right now, and this is alamanda, a very beautiful, is growing, but it haven't started, is blooming, so I'm really waiting for its blooming. That would be my first blooming because I have just planted it in lockdown. It's been a year. This plant is, all these plants are almost 1 year old, and here I have grown up all the money plants. So this was the mother plant, and I have made all these with the cuttings, and I have made plenty of cuttings with its eye, and I'm going to share you so how to grow money plant appropriately with cuttings, with each, what we say, this eye, so we can grow very successfully. So it is called the lucky plant at home if we can grow nicely. This is a cutting which I have grown, and here just I'm lacking pot right now during lockdown. This is a wandering Jew, very beautifully over there at the corner I to have, and this is also croton, and here the snake plant pups, one of the lilies, and this is lalupate, and this is ribbon plant and tapeworm. It has so many names. It looks very beautiful, but right now I have pruned it, so it just looks a bit very short. And this is also very beautiful, one of the ornamental plants. And yes, Chandani bhन्छ. यो यहाँ यस्तो राखे, यसमा राखे green, commonly named as Aglaonema. It has plenty of variety, more than 25 varieties available. This is Areca palm. Just recently I have grown up, and this is a pups of aloe vera and chrysanthemum, and next is lucky bamboo. It is from the Dracena family. It's all lucky bamboo. Very different color we have. Over there money plant, that's all Dracena. It's a golden snake plant, Sansevieria. And all these plants, hibiscus, jasmine, I think is a dwarf variety of alamanda. I'm not very sure about that. It is all